Hi guys, welcome to Code with Aditya. Today we're going to be doing a demo of a project I've been working on. Uh, this is called 2Light2Fan. It's a home automation demo. Um, so basically what it is it uses a ESP8266 module um, that has Wi-Fi built in. It's basically like an Arduino, like a microcontroller with Wi-Fi, so you can control it from anywhere in the world. And this is a 4-channel relay module. So for now, instead of like actual household appliances and like uh lights and fans and stuff, I'm just using 12 volts. I'm just using 12 volt fans and lights. So there's light 1, light 2, fan 1, and fan 2. So uh what we can do is I'll give you a demo now. I have built an app that you can control this with. So this power adapter powers all like the fans and the lights with 12 volts, and the batteries power all the 5-volt electronics. So the ESP module and the 4-channel relay. So I'm just gonna plug the power adapter in. Okay, so now that it's plugged in, there's a switch here, right here, that I can press, and it will turn the module on. And once it's connected to Wi-Fi, the LED will turn on. Okay, so now it's connected, and now we can open up the app. Right here, open up the app, and it will scan for devices. When it's blank, it's scanning for devices right now. And once it's found one, it'll go into the app. It'll take a little bit of time. Okay, so it's found our device now. And if we try powering it now, like turning on the fan or a light, if we press fan 1 on, so now fan 1 is turning on, and I can get something to demonstrate that. It's not snake. As you can see, it's blowing, and that's fan 1. And then we can do like fan 2, so we can turn it off. Fan 1 is turned off, and then fan 2 can turn on, like this, and that's also blowing air, like that. We can turn that off. There's a light 1. Light 1 is on, and then light 2 is on, and we can also turn all of them on and all of them off, like that. So that was basically it for this project. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.